Good morning, students. From today onwards, we are going to discuss the chapter Two-Dimensional Analytical Geometry. So it is one of the interesting topics, and also you are going to continue in your higher studies in your 12th standard. After that, in your college studies also, you are going to discuss about this. Today we are going to discuss about two-dimensional analytical geometry. In these topics, we are going to study, the first heading is locus. The first heading is locus. It is one of the very important definition. Dear students, you have to read the definition carefully, understand it, and use the application knowledge. You are able to get all the results in very smooth way. First, we are going to discuss about locus. What is the meaning of locus? Just listen the definition. The path traced by a moving point. Once again, listen carefully. The path traced by a moving point according as a specified geometrical condition. Once again, read the definition carefully. The path traced by a moving point according as a specified geometrical condition is called locus. தமிழ்ல எதை சொல்லணும்னா லோக்கஸ்னா நியம பாதை. நியம பாதையுடைய வரையறை டெஃபினிஷன் என்னன்னா இயங்கக்கூடிய புள்ளியினுடைய பாதை. ஒரு இயங்கும் புள்ளியினுடைய பாதை. அது எப்படி இயங்க வேண்டும்? வடிவகணித விதிகளுக்கு உட்பட்டு இயங்க வேண்டும். So the locus of a point means இயங்கக்கூடிய புள்ளியினுடைய பாதை, நியம பாதை என்று அழைக்கப்படும். இங்கிலீஷ்ல the path traced by a moving point according as a specified geometrical condition. Now just listen the explanation. Simply see, I am standing here. Now I am considered to be a fixed point. Now I am considered to be a fixed point. Now I wish to move. I wish to move. Then only I am able to create a path. Think about my footsteps. If I am standing here, consider myself as a fixed point. I wish to move. So then only I am creating a path. That path is called locus. Now, how I am going to move? According as a specified geometrical condition. So I wish to move, then my footsteps are called the path traced by a moving point. How I am going to move? According as a specified geometrical condition. This is called locus of a point. So clearly understand. So I wish to move according as a specified geometrical condition. This is the definition. The locus of a point. What is the meaning of locus of a point? The path traced by a moving point. How I am going to move? According as specified geometrical condition. See this example. See this example. First, I am giving some introduction about the locus and take one example. A point moving from a fixed point. Consider myself as now fixed point. From me, a point is standing. Consider that point is 5 meters from me. Now that point is moving. It always maintain a same distance from me. Consider I am standing here. Myself is initially thinking about fixed point. I am technically called as fixed point. From me, from myself, a point is here. Consider this point is P. It is a moving point. This is called moving point. So now I am going to give the explanation for the path. Now this point is moving. It is always 5 meters from this fixed point. Instead of 5 meters, we can give a constant distance. We can say a constant distance. See, it is a fixed point. It is a moving point. This point starts to move. it will obey the condition. What is the given condition? From this fixed point, it is always maintaining 5 meter distance. Now this point starts to move. It will form a circle. What is the diagrammatic explanation of this circle? See this. From this is the constant distance. From this fixed point, it maintained always a constant distance, so that we are able to get a path. See, this path is now represented by the moving point, the path created by the moving point. What is the structure we are getting? This structure is called circle. So once again, read the definition. The path traced by a moving point according as a specified geometrical condition. What is the condition here? It always keep the distance 5 meter from this fixed point. This is the fixed point. This is the moving point. It always keep the distance. Say, here also 5 meter. Here also 5 meter. Here also 5 meter. Like this, wherever you can get this 5 meter distance. This 5 meter distance is always keep the same distance from this fixed point. So now we are getting a diagrammatic explanation. So this is called locus. This is just an example I am giving. Now we are going to form equation with the help of this. First, initially think about the definition. After that, we are applying the definition. This is the application. Fixed point to moving point, it forms a 5 meter distance. This is the constant distance. Now we are able to form this diagrammatic explanation. From this diagrammatic explanation, we are able to create the equations. Now listen how we are able to create the equation. See this fixed point. I am considering a fixed point. It is always generally in general h comma k. Say C. C is the name. It is always taken as h comma k. Then this is the moving point P. Initially it is considered to be x1 comma y1. If it starts to move, then we are able to replace. Now listen, we are getting a circle. We are able to form a path here. See this. This is called fixed point. This is in general called center. This is a moving point. See, C is the fixed point. The name is center. P x1 comma y1. Initially it is fixed. The distance CP is called radius. The distance CP is called radius. It is denoted by R. It is denoted by R. This is the geometrical condition. From this, we are able to say CP equal to R. From this, we are able to say CP equal to R. What is the name of CP? Center. The name h comma k. P is a moving point. Initially, we are thinking it is a fixed point. After that, we can give the locus means x1 comma y1 must be replaced. But CP is distance between 2 points. Listen, we are able to say x1 minus h the whole squared plus y1 minus k the whole squared equal to R. If we want to remove the root, squaring both sides, we can get x1 minus h the whole squared plus y1 minus k the whole squared equal to R squared. If we want to find locus of p x1 comma y1, now listen the name, locus of p x1 comma y1. Locus means it should be a moving point. Initially you are thinking x1 comma y1 as a fixed point, then only we can say CP is R. Now this locus of p x1 comma y1 is x minus h the whole squared plus y minus k the whole squared equal to R squared. See, this is the equation of the locus. What is the name of this locus? Initially I am explaining it is the circle. So x minus h the whole squared, y minus k the whole squared equal to R squared is the equation of the circle. Initially, what is the definition? We have to create a path. How the path will be created? According to a specified geometrical condition. Here, what are the conditions? CH, K is the fixed point. Px1, y1. We are going to form this locus. We are going to find the locus of this point. What is the condition? Always Cp, this maintaining the same constant distance. That must be radius. So with the help of this, we are creating the equations. Cp equal to R. What is the meaning of Cp? It is nothing but the distance between 2 points. Use the formula square root of x1 minus h the whole squared, y1 minus k the whole squared equal to R. Removing the root, squaring both sides, x1 minus h the whole squared, y1 k the whole squared equal to R squared. Now listen carefully. Initially we are thinking Px1, y1 is the fixed point. If we want to find the locus, locus means it should be a moving point. Then remove this x1, y1 with the help of x, y. Therefore, x minus h the whole squared, y minus k the whole squared equal to R squared. This represents equation of the circle. It represents the equation of the circle. So dear students, just observe the definition. Apply the conditions. You are able to get the equation. In the similar way, we are going to form many equations. So just an introduction about the locus. Then you are able to get some technical names here. Initially, see a simple diagram. This fixed point is called center. This constant distance is called radius. It is denoted by h, k. In general, it is denoted by h, k. This should be x1, y1. Now we are getting this equation, x minus h the whole squared, y minus k the whole squared equal to R squared. If in your calculation, you are able to get the numbers, numerical values. Instead of h, k, we are getting a numerical value, for example 3, 5. Instead of radius, it must be a unit, it containing a numerical value. After that, we are able to simplify. When we are using the sums, that means in problems, we are able to simplify this one. Now listen, if the center is origin, instead of h, k, if the center is origin 0, 0, then what are the changes here? Instead of h, k, we are using 0, 0. Then we can get x squared plus y squared equal to R squared. It is also the equation of the circle. So what is the changes? Instead of the h, k center, I am using origin as the center. Therefore, it will be modified as x squared plus y squared equal to R squared. So this is an example for the locus. So dear students, the word locus is very important in your higher studies. Once again, recall your definition. The path traced by a moving point according as a specified geometrical condition. Without the specified geometrical condition, we cannot form the locus. So I wish to move with the help of the geometrical condition. That is called locus. So the path traced by a moving point according as a specified geometrical condition. Now listen, we are just given an example for circle introduction. Just to take one more example. See, 2 points, 2 fixed points A and B. From these 2 fixed points A and B, I want to find the locus of P x1, y1. The locus of P x1, y1. Now the condition is the point P is equidistant. It is equidistant always maintaining the equidistance. For example, this distance must be equal to this. Again, this is equal to this one, like this. Now this point P x1, y1 is moving. So now P x1, y1 is moving like this way. It always maintaining the same distance from 2 fixed points A and B. A is one of the fixed point, one fixed point. B is also one fixed point. Now, locus of the point P x1, y1 is always maintaining the same distance, equidistance from the two fixed points. That means from this we are having a condition AP equal to PB. So what is the name of the locus? Initially we are explaining about the name of the locus is circle. Here the name of the locus is, it should be the perpendicular bisector. It should be the perpendicular bisector. We are having some examples. We are having some problems based on this. Just an introduction. So locus of this point P x1, y1 is always keep the distance from two fixed points such that it always maintaining equidistance from two fixed points is the perpendicular bisector. See this locus of P x1, y1. It is the line. This is the locus. So it always keep the distance to the equidistance from these two fixed points. That is the geometrical condition. So AP equal to PB. With the help of this we are able to create. So two fixed points, always we are having some quantities. For example 3, 5. Here 7, 2. Like this we are having any quantities. P x1, y1. It should be a moving point. Therefore we are getting the equation. After substituting this condition, we are able to get the some equation. So dear student, this is the common introduction. Just an introduction. Locus. The locus means the path traced by a moving point. How the point is moving? According as the specified geometrical condition. So listen this definition, understand clearly. This is the first introduction. After that we are able to see many problems based on this only. How we are able to creating the equations? By applying the condition. What are the conditions? We have to analyze. Then we are able to get some problems based on this. See, sum number 1. Find, I am writing the question and explaining. You are able to do the calculations. Then we can get always the locus. Take down, find the locus of the point. See the word locus. Locus means the path traced by a moving point. So that we are giving the introduction about this word locus. Find the locus of the point which moves. Already I am explaining. Locus means the path traced by a moving point. So it automatically it will move. So find the locus of the point which moves such that means it has some condition such that its distance from x-axis is equal to the distance from y-axis. See the definition. Now we are having some problems based on this observation. See, the locus means the path traced by a moving point. Up to this clearly understand. Such that means it has some condition. Its distance from x-axis is equal to the distance from y-axis. See, with the help of the understanding this problem, we are going to take the diagram. See the diagram. According as the problem, draw a diagram. X-axis, y-axis. It must be origin 0, 0. So, locus of a point P. So, always I am initially thinking about P x1, y1. If I am going to form the locus, x1, y1 must be replaced by x, y. So, this is the point. We are going to form the locus of this point. This point is equal distance from x-axis and y-axis. That is the condition. See, I want to This P, I am giving the name A, I am giving the name B here. So this is the distance from x-axis, AP. This is the distance from y-axis, BP. That distance are equal. That is the condition. See, P x1 comma y1 is, I am selecting this point. Automatically, A must be x1 comma 0 only. X1 comma 0 only, because it is a perpendicular line. The same way, B must be 0 comma y1, because any point lies on x-axis, the value of y must be 0. Any point lies on y-axis, the value of x must be 0. Therefore, it is 0 comma y1, x1 comma 0. Now, what is the condition here? AP equal to PB. That is the condition they are giving. AP equal to PB. AP equal to PB. Now listen, AP is nothing but the distance between 2 points. So I am using distance between 2 points. X1 minus x1, that must be 0. Y1 minus 0, that means y1 squared, is equal to, again the square root of, here also the same concept here, x1 minus 0 the whole square, therefore x1 squared, plus y1 minus y1, again it must be 0, square and root will be removed, y1 equal to x1. So now locus of P x1 comma y1. If you are using the word locus, then it must be starts to move. Therefore, instead of x1 comma y1, it must be replaced y equal to x. Y equal to x. See the equation we are able to get. See, P x1 comma y1 starts to move. Then we can get the line y equal to x. What is the meaning of the line y equal to x? From your 10th syllabus already you used, 10th standard, 9th standard itself you are used y equal to x. It is nothing but y equal to mx. It passing through the origin. It passing through the origin. See this one. This passing through origin. It always passing through 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, like this. 3 comma 3, it's going on. So that see 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2. It has both x and y coordinates are equal. 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, this. Like this point P x1 comma y1. So locus of this point P x1 comma y1 is a straight line passing through origin. So this is the equation we are getting. So dear students, what is the concept you are learning here? See, we are going to form the locus of this point P of x1 comma y1. So we must follow some geometrical condition. What is the geometrical condition in your question? The distance from x-axis is equal to the distance from y-axis. See 1 comma 1, same distance only. See 2 comma 2, same distance only. Like this, AP equal to PB, that is the condition. This is the given condition question in itself having. So AP equal to PB, you have to understand. So AP equal to PB. Then what is the meaning of AP? Distance between 2 points. Use the square root of. You are using the formula. See this one. x1 or x2 minus x1, the whole squared, plus y2 minus y1, the whole squared. This is the distance between 2 points from your lower class are used. x2 minus x1 the whole squared plus y2 minus y1 the whole squared. So AP equal to PB. We are using this formula. Simplifying, we are getting y1 equal to x1. So y1 equal to x1, we need the locus. Locus is, it should be the moving point. So y1, x1 are fixed values. So we replace that one. Instead of y1 use the y, instead of x1 use the x. This is the equation of the locus of the point P of x1 comma y1. It is the line passing through the origin. So dear students, just observe the question, apply your knowledge, you can get. So you must understand, you must always feel why we are using this type. So use the word why. Then apply the conditions you can get. So in this way, see one more example, the same type of one more example we are having. See the question. Find, once again, find the locus, find the locus of the point which moves in a plane, which moves in a plane, such that, after this we have having some conditions, such that the distance from two fixed points, A of 1, 0 and B of 5, 0 is always equal. See the condition. Find the locus. Locus means the path traced by a moving point. So up to this, every question having the same words, same sentence. Such that, this is the required condition. See, such that the distance from two fixed points, just I am giving an example, distance from two fixed points is always equal. Just now we are explaining. So take the point 1, 0 and 5, 0. See this one? Just draw the rough diagram. So then only you can understand very clearly. See, this must be 1, 0, A of 1, 0. I can take another one point, B of 5, 0. A point B of x1, y1. Just now I given an example in your introduction class. Examples for the locus. Now we have a question like this. So as per the condition, as per your condition, we need to find the locus. Locus means it should be the moving point. It should be a moving point. Now listen carefully. Already I explained it should be the perpendicular bisector. In your introduction class I am saying it is in perpendicular bisector. Now listen, you are able to see here. As per the condition, AP equal to BP. So because it has equidistance. So as per the condition, AP equal to PB. AP equal to PB. So now AP equal to PB means from this it is nothing but the distance between 2 points. x1 minus 1 the whole squared, y1 minus 0 the whole squared, y1 minus 0 the whole squared, square root of. It is equal to the same here, x1 minus 5 the whole squared plus y1 minus 0 the whole squared. So see, AP equal to PB. So from this we are using distance formula. With the help of this distance formula, then we want to remove the root families. Now squaring both sides. Now expand this one. X1 squared. We can get x1 squared minus 2x1 plus 1. Here y1 squared. Here y1 squared. In your RHS side, again x1 squared minus 5 2s are 10x1. Again plus you can get 25. You can get 25. Again one more y1 squared. You can get again one more y1 squared. See the concept carefully. As per the condition P of x1, y1, we have to find the locus of that point P of x1, y1. It will be moves. It always keep the distance from two fixed points A1, 0, B5, 0 is always equal. So by the condition AP equal to PB. AP is nothing but the distance between 2 points. BP is also the distance between 2 points. Now just we want to apply the formula, then simplify. See, if any more LHS and RHS, see here x1 squared, here also one x1 squared, it will be removed. See here one y1 squared, again one more y1 squared, it will be removed. What are the remaining things? See 2x1, again here 10x1, convert everything in the same side. So see minus 2x1, converting the same side we can get 10x1, 2x1, here one more plus, 10x1 converting this in positive. Then here you are having 1, again 25, converting the other side, minus 25, we can get 0. So convert everything in the same side. Already it will be removed. All these things are removed. The remaining 2x1, 10x1. We can get 2x1, 10x1 as positive. Simplifying, we can get 8x1. Again 125 it will be removed. We can get minus 24 equal to 0. On simplifying this one, it can be divided by 8. Therefore, x1 minus 3 equal to 0. But initially I am explaining we need the locus. Locus means it should be the moving point. Therefore, locus of px1 comma y1 is, locus of px1 comma y1 is, this x1 must be removed. X minus 3 equal to 0. X minus 3 equal to 0. Think about x minus 3 equal to 0 means x equal to 3. See this one. So this point, this line passing through the point 3, 0. See 1, 0, 5, 0. So it must be the midpoint 3, 0. Therefore, this P of x1, y1, locus of this point passing through 3, 0. This line is parallel to y-axis. See, this line is parallel to y-axis. And also it passing through the point 3, 0. Therefore, equation of this line is x equal to 3. Or we can say x minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore, this line is technically called as perpendicular bisector of the line AB. Perpendicular bisector of the line AB. What is the name? You must know the name of this locus. It is the perpendicular bisector. And also you can say it is parallel to y-axis. Any line parallel to y-axis, the equation, what is the equation? X equal to constant. See, this is x equal to 3. That means x equal to k or x equal to c. So you have to understand anything, everything. Understand the words. So apply the conditions. So dear students, it is an introduction. Just what is the name of locus? What is the meaning of locus? So you have to see this is the locus of px1, y1. See the sentence, locus of px1, y1. Initially it is considering fixed point. Then locus means it should be a moving point. If the point is moving, then only we can get the path. What is the definition? The path traced by a moving point. So you have to coordinate everything. Coordinate all the words and frame the sentence. You can get the definitions very beautiful way. It is very high level application in your real life. I am giving just an example. Everyone knows this one. On seeing your cricket matches, you are seeing the cricket matches every day in TVs. Now this system is introduced with the help of the moving point. Cricket match பார்க்கும்போது LPW அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு leg before wicket ஒரு டெசிஷன் வந்துட்டு அம்பையர் கொடுப்பாங்க. ரிவ்யூ சிஸ்டம்னு பார்த்துருப்பீங்க எல்லாரும். ரிவ்யூ சிஸ்டம் பார்த்துருப்பீங்க எல்லாரும். கிரிக்கெட் மேட்ச் நடக்கும்போது பேட்ஸ்மேன் வந்து சந்தேகம் இருக்கும், நான் அவுட் இல்லை அப்படின்னு. அப்போ என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க, ரிவ்யூ சிஸ்டம் போடுறாங்க இல்லைங்களா. அப்போ ரிவ்யூ சிஸ்டம் போடும்போது என்ன இருக்கும், ஸ்டெம்ஸு. ஸோ இது வந்து பிச்சுன்னு எடுத்துக்கிட்டா இங்கே என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க, பவுலர்ஸ் வரும். பவுலர் என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க, பவுல் பண்ணுறோம். அப்போ பவுல் பண்ணும்போது பார்த்துக்கிட்டீங்களா ஒரு மேப், ஒரு கிராஃப் வரும் தானே. அந்த கிராஃப் என்ன பண்ணும், இங்கிருந்து ஒரு பால் பிச் ஆகி வெதர் த பால் இஸ் மூவிங் ஆர் வெதர் த பால் இஸ் ஹிட்டிங். இதுதான் லோக்கஸ். இங்கே பால் தான் மூவிங் பாயிண்ட். ஸோ பிகாஸ் பவுலர் கையிலிருந்து பால் போகுது, அந்த பால் போய் இந்த ஸ்டெம்ஸ் வந்து ஃபிக்ஸடாக தானே இருக்கும். ஸ்டெம்ஸ் வந்து ஃபிக்ஸட். இதில் எது மூவிங் பாயிண்ட், ball is moving. So the path traced by the cricket ball. அததான் கிராஃபா உங்களுக்கு அங்கே போட்டு காமிப்பாங்க நல்லா மேட்ச் பார்க்கும்போது. சம்டைம்ஸ் என்ன பண்ணும், பால் போய் ஹிட் பண்ணும். சம்டைம்ஸ் பால் வந்து என்ன பண்ணும், ஸ்டெம்பை விட்டு டீவியேட் ஆகிருக்கும். சம்டைம்ஸ் பால் என்ன பண்ணியிருக்கும், பிச் பண்ணி ஸ்டெம்பை விட உயரமாக போயிருக்கும். That is called the path traced by a ball, cricket ball. With the help, அம்பையர் என்ன சொல்கிறாங்க ரிவ்யூ சிஸ்டத்தில், ஸ்டெம்பை ஹிட் பண்ணியிருக்கு, அவுட் கொடுங்க. ஸ்டெம்பை விட்டு மூவ் ஆயிடுச்சு, அவுட் இல்லை. ஸ்டெம்பை விட்டு உயரமாக போயிடுச்சு, அவுட் இல்லை. ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் த லேட்டஸ்ட் டெக்னாலஜிஸ். ஸோ வித் த ஹெல்ப் ஆஃப் locus, with the help of this locus, we are using this. Many places we are using missiles எல்லாம் பறக்கும் பார்த்துருக்கீங்க, மிலிட்ரிஸ் எல்லாம் யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. எனிமீஸ் அதர் கண்ட்ரீஸ்லேருந்து நம்மக்கிட்ட ஒரு மிசைல் வர்றான், நம்மளுடைய கண்ட்ரீஸ்லேருந்து இருக்கக்கூடிய வெப்பன்ஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணி மிலிட்ரிஸில் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, அந்த மிசைலை என்ன பண்ணியிருப்பாங்க, அட்டாக் பண்ணுவாங்க. With the help of the path traced by the missile, the path traced by the moving point. இது மாதிரி மெனி ஒர்க் நம்ம இதில் ப்ராக்டிக்கல் ஒர்க்ஸ் நம்ம இதெல்லாம் யூஸ் பண்ணுறீங்க. ஸோ இன் திஸ் வே திஸ் அனலிட்டிக்கல் ஜாமெட்ரி இஸ் வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் இன் யுவர் ரியல் லைஃப். கிரிக்கெட் மேட்ச் பார்க்கும்போது நீங்கள் பிரைன் அதில் யூஸ் பண்ணி பாருங்கள், உங்களுக்கு புரியாது. பால் போய் பிச் பண்ணி வெளியே போகும்போது ஒரு கிராஃப் போடுறாங்க. தட் கிராஃப் இஸ் கால்டு லோக்கஸ். So what is the meaning now of the path traced by a moving point? So dear students, understand the concept in very high level, in rich manner. Use the definitions properly. You can get the definitions. We are having many problems based on the same way. Dear students, listen. The same concept we are having some more problems. Read the question carefully. Take down the concept. You have to apply the formulas. You can get the results. Find the equation of the locus of your point, always having the same sentence up to that level, such that after that we are having some conditions. Sum of the squares of the distance from the points 3, 5, 1, -1 is equal to 20. Just take a rough diagram. I am taking a point A, 3, 5, another one point B, 1, -1. I am having a point P of x1, y1. Always I am taking the point as P of x1, y1. As per the given condition, see, sum of the squares of the distance from the points. So we have some distance here, AP. We have some distance BP. These values, that means sum of the squares of the distance. As per the condition, this AP squared. See, AP is the distance. We have the sum of the squares. That means BP square is equal to 20. So you have to draw a rough diagram. From the rough diagram, derive the condition. So A, 3, 5, 1 point is given. B, 1, -1, that is also given. We are selecting P of x1, y1, P, any point. We have to find equation of locus of a point. This is the point, required point. We have to find the locus of this point with the help of a condition. What is the condition? The sum of the squares of the distance from the points. See, it has some distance. It has some distance. Then we have to square after that addition. Addition means summation. So AP square plus BP square equal to 20. This is the condition. So from this condition, we are going to develop. Now listen. What is the meaning of AP from this? With the help of this diagram, we are able to derive. What is the meaning of AP? AP is nothing but distance between 2 points. See here, AP. Already I am explaining the distance formula. Just use now. x1 minus 3. x1 minus 3 the whole square. y1 minus 5. y1 minus 5 the whole square. So we need AP square. So AP squared is equal to x1 minus 3 the whole squared plus y1 minus 5 the whole squared. So this is the first result. So we need AP square, just we worked out AP square. In the same way we need BP. After that we can square it. BP. Once again it is also the distance between 2 points. x1 minus 1 the whole squared. x1 minus 1 the whole square. y1 minus of minus. So y1 minus of minus, again plus 1 the whole squared. This is nothing but BP. So distance between 2 points, x1 minus 1 the whole squared, y1 already it has a negative, so negative of negative positive. So now we need BP square. So BP square means this root will be removed. We can get x1 minus 1 the whole squared plus y1 plus 1 the whole squared. So this is the second result. So dear students, just draw a rough diagram. From that you are going to apply this condition. AP is nothing but the distance between these 2 points, x1 minus 3 the whole squared, y1 minus 5 the whole squared. Then you want to remove the root, you can get AP square equal to this one. Again use BP. BP is also the distance between 2 points, x1 minus 1 the whole squared, y1 negative of negative becomes positive. So x1 minus 1 the whole squared, y1 plus 1 the whole squared. Now we are going to apply in this required condition. See this. As per the condition, AP squared plus BP squared equal to 20. It is already given in your question itself. We worked out AP squared. Just use this one. x1 minus 3 the whole squared plus y1 minus 5 the whole squared plus BP squared. x1 minus 1 the whole squared plus y1 plus 1 the whole squared equal to 20. So that's all. After that your calculation only. You have to expand this one. You are able to use, it is in the form of a minus b the whole squared. Here y1, this is y1 minus 5. y1 minus 5 the whole squared. Again expand it. Then you are going to simplify. Just apply the conditions. After that, your work. Then in this type of work, you must clearly expand the basic formulas without mistake. You are going to work out. So already we worked out AP, then AP squared, then BP, then BP squared. Now we are going to work out our calculation part. So after apply the basics, expand it. x1 minus 3, it is in the form of a minus b the whole squared. So x1 squared minus 3 2s are 6x1, 3 squared becomes 9. Again y1 squared minus 5 2s are 10y1 plus 5 squared become 25. In your RHS side, sorry, no RHS, the same side only. Here x1, again x1 squared minus 2x1 plus again 1 squared means 1. See here y1 squared plus 2y1 plus again 1 squared become 1. Here 1 is equal to 20. So this is the result you are having. Now see here 1 x1 squared, here we are having 1 x1 squared, adding we can get to 2x1 squared. See here 1 y1 squared, here also 1 y1 squared, we are adding we can get 2y1 squared. So 2x1 squared, 2y1 squared. See here 6x1 negative, here also we are having one more x1 family, both are negative, it will become minus 8x1. Then see the y1 families, 10y1 negative, here also y1 positive, we can get minus 8y1, 10y1 negative, 2y1 positive, we can get minus 8y1. Then see the remaining numbers, see here 1 9, here 25, 25 9, we can get 34, again 1 35, again 1 36. So here positive 36 we are having. One more side we are getting negative 20, this 20 converted to be other side. We can get positive 36, again negative 20. Now we are able to simplify 2x1 squared, 2y1 squared minus 8x1 minus 8y1, 36, again 20, we can get 16. This can be simplified. It can be divided by 2. So we can get x1 squared plus y1 squared minus, if you are dividing by 2, we can get 4x1, again minus 4y1 divided by 2, we can get positive 8. But this is, we have to find the locus. So always write the word locus of Px1, y1. Locus means the path trace will be moving. It starts to move. When the point starts to move, instead of x1, y1, replace the variable x, y. So it should be x squared, then y squared, then minus 4x minus 4y 4y plus 8 equal to 0. This is the locus of that required point P of x1, y1. So already two fixed points. We have to find locus of P x1, y1. But there must be a condition. So that initially I am explaining the basic definition. What is the basic definition? The path traced by a moving point according as a specified geometrical condition. Every question must have a specified geometrical condition. What is the condition in this question? AP squared plus BP squared equal to 20. That is the condition. So you have to read the question, then observe the condition. Every question must have some conditions. So AP squared plus BP squared equal to 20. That is the given condition. After that, just A, select a point. B, select a point. P, x1, y1, just select. What is the meaning of AP? From your lower classes onwards, you are using the formula, distance between 2 points. Just take down the formula. Apply, expand, simplify. See the answer. X squared plus y squared minus 4x minus 4y plus 8. For what purpose you are memorizing all the concept? No need to memory. Just use the logic, then work out your calculation part. So dear students, no need to memory anything, just to follow it. You are getting the answers. Dear students, now listen, the same model. I am going to give the idea, you have to do the calculations. Find the equation of the locus of the point P such that always the same sentence. The line segment AB joining the points A 1, minus 6, B 4, minus 2 subtends a right angle. That is the different condition when comparing with the previous one. In your previous question, same, we are having 2 points A and B, one more point P of x1, y1. But here the condition is different. In the previous question, what is the condition? AP squared plus BB squared equal to 20. Here see the other conditions. Subtends a right angle at P. This is the different one. But take down the diagrammatic explanation. What are the diagrammatic explanation? A 1, minus 6. Here I am selecting a point A of 1, minus 6. Another one B. I am selecting a point B. B of 4, minus 2. Subtend a right angle at P. So that I am taking a point because right angle at P. So this is x1, y1. So this is the required diagrammatic explanation. A, I am taking A 1, minus 6, B 4, minus 2. So right angle at P. This is the subtends a right angle at P. This line AB subtending a right angle at P. So say I am selecting a point P of x1, y1 at P. Now you are able to see this diagram. Right angle triangle. You have to use the hypotenuse square equal to. See here from this diagram once again AP squared. This is the required condition. AP squared plus PB squared is equal to AB squared. So same question when comparing with the previous one. In the previous AP squared plus PB squared equal to 20. Instead of 20, now they are giving AB squared. Now you are able to work out AB squared. How? AB is nothing but the distance between 2 points. Now listen. AB is equal to, once again, square root of 4 minus 1 the whole squared. 4 minus 1 the whole squared. Again 2 negative of negative, that means becomes positive 6 the whole square. So that means AB squared we want, just root will be removed. 4 minus 1, 3 squared becomes 9. Again minus 2 plus 6, it will become 4. 4 squared becomes 16. So AB squared is here 25. So just observe, instead of AB squared, we are going to use 25. Therefore, the required condition is AP squared plus PB squared equal to 25. Compare with the previous, AP squared, PB squared equal to 20. Instead of that, we are having 25. So dear students, the same knowledge, same application, but different, just they are giving a different idea. So sometimes a right angle at P. So the line segment AB, this is the line segment AB, joining the points A and B. So we are joining the points A and B. Sometimes a right angle at P. So you have to observe the given condition. So draw a diagram. Since it is a right angle triangle, so we are able to use Pythagoras. By applying the Pythagoras, this AP squared plus PB squared equal to AB squared. So AP, PB, AB. But we are able to work out the value of AB. AB is nothing but the distance between 2 points. Just to work out, we can get 25. So AP squared plus PB squared equal to 25. Now use the expansion with the help of this diagram. The calculation part, dear students, you have to work out. See AP. Just I am working out the equations. AP. Once again, distance between 2 points. X1 minus 1. X1 minus 1 the whole square plus Y1 minus, already I are having negative. So plus 6 the whole squared root. So we need AP squared. See AP squared. AP squared means x1 minus 1 the whole square, y1 plus 6 whole square. So this is the first result. After getting the practice, you can jump the steps. You can skip this line. Straight away you can take down AP square. After getting good practice, you can, without using this one, straight away we can use it. Again, if you are getting very well practiced, you can use straight away in this line also. After getting very best practice, you are getting the very best practice, take down this line, then avoiding many steps. But initially, you have to get good practice. This is AP. In the same way, see here BP. BP is also the distance between 2 points. X1 minus 4 the whole square. X1 minus 4 the whole square. Plus Y1 minus of minus. So Y1 plus 2 the whole square. This is nothing but root 1. So BP. We need BP square. So we need BP square. So here BP square equal to, so x1 minus 4 the whole squared plus y1 plus 2 whole squared. Say this is result number 2. So you have to use these data here. You have to use these data. So just AP squared. This is AP squared. So x1 minus 1 the whole squared plus y1 plus 6 the whole squared. Again BP squared. Here BP squared is nothing but x1 minus 4 the whole squared, then plus y1 plus 2 the whole squared equal to 25. Equal to 25. So dear students, your work is very simple. Just expand. Here also expand. Take the 25 in the same side, then simplify. That's all. And comparing with the same, in the previous question, same steps. Instead of 25, you are having 20. Instead of the points, here we are having the different points. But the given logic is different. You have to understand the given logic. So after that, so AP squared, PB squared. After getting a good practice, dear students, straight away use this. Avoid many steps. AP squared plus PB squared equal to 25. Take the condition, straight away substitute. When we are having the square family here, AP squared, root will be removed. So avoid that step. See here, root. Again one more step, root, one more step. If you are having the square here, AP squared, PB squared, root automatically will be removed. Just substitute, expand. Then you can avoid many steps. Then try to work out the calculation. Then it is very important, in the last line, after simplifying in the last line, just use the sentence locus of the point P of x1 comma y1 is, then remove x1 comma y1, then use x comma y, because x comma y means it must be a variable, it must be a moving point. When the point is fixed, I am standing fixed here, then my name is x1 comma y1. If I am moving, then my name, instead of x1 comma y1, use the variable x comma y. So use the last sentence. Up to that you use x1 comma y1. In the final line you can replace, instead of x1 comma y1, use x comma y. So up to this level, try yourself, find the result. Dear students, on the basis of today's explanations, today's concept, we have discussed many problems. You have 2 homeworks in the same order. We already discussed everything. See here, find the locus of the point which is equidistant from, equidistance means, say give the name A here, give the name B here, select the point P of x1 comma y1. See, just draw a rough diagram for the first one. Say A is minus 1 comma 1. Another one point B is 4 comma minus 2. Then select a point P of x1 comma y1. See, this is the just a rough diagram. Equidistance, that means by the condition AP equal to BB. This is the explanation for the first question. Already we used the same concept. AP equal to BB. Then what is the meaning of AP? Distance between 2 points. What is the name of BP? Again, distance between the 2 points. Then if you want to avoid the root family, squaring both sides, expand, you can get the result. So dear students, try this one. Again one more, the same logic. Find the locus of the point P such that if it is collinear with the points 2, 3, 1, 5. So we need P x1, y1. See, we need always the point P x1, already the question itself having 2 points 2, 3, 1, 5. We are selecting P of x1, y. In the previous problem also see one point A, another point B, we are selecting P, always x1, y1. Here 2, 3, 1, 5, P of x1, y1. All these 3 points are collinear. In your lower classes itself, you are used the concept collinear. What is the name? What is the meaning of collinear? The area of the triangle formed by these 3 points P, A, B, P must be 0. Or you can use the another one logic also. Slope of AP is equal to slope of BP. That is also acceptable. You can use any one concept. Slopes must be equal, or collinear means area of the triangle formed by the 3 points must be 0. You can select any one concept. Work out these 2 homeworks. Try yourself. Dear students, you observe all the theoretical concept and work out these 2 problems. Thank you.